Irfan Khan from Alchem Science Tutorials. Today we are going to study about the classification of matter. In previous standard you already studied about the classification of matter on the basis of their physical properties. As you know that the physically classification of matter is as follows: solid, liquid and gas. But right now in this lecture we will study about the classification of matter on the basis of their chemical properties. As you can see here, the matter is mostly classified into two parts: pure substances and mixtures. And pure substances is further classified into elements, compounds, and mixture is classified into homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixture. This is all about the chemical classification of matters. So let's understand what do you mean by elements, compound, homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. There are example of pure substances. Elements is also one of the example of pure substances. Just for the understanding purpose, we just take the sodium atom is an example of pure substances in case of elements, and in case of compound we just take the example of sodium chloride. So in this topic we just need to understand all these things: what is mean by pure substances, what is mean by mixtures, what is mean by homogeneous mixtures, heterogeneous mixtures here. So pure substances having the example of elements and compounds, because they are made by unique and same concentration of chemical throughout the solution or throughout the substance. So that's why it's considered as a pure substances. In case of elements we just take the example of irons is a example of pure substances, and in case of compound is mostly made up of combining of two atoms, here sodium and chlorine. So this is the example of compound. Compound is also considered as a example of pure substances. In case of mixture is classified into homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture are those mixture in which the concentration of substance remains constant throughout the mixture is called as homogeneous mixtures. And in case of heterogeneous, the concentration of substance does not remain constant throughout the mixture. So such a substance or such a mixtures is called as heterogeneous mixtures. Here is example as I told you earlier. So there are example of mixtures. There are two types of mixtures, which is as follows: homogeneous mixture, one of the best example of homogeneous mixtures is tea, and heterogeneous mixtures is, as you can see in your daily life also, when you drop some of the oil in water, so basically oil is present on the upper part of the upper layer of water surface. So this is the example of heterogeneous mixtures. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and please subscribe my channels Alchem Science Tutorials.